In this video, we'll look at how to split PDF files with Action Wizard in Adobe Acrobat. Action Wizard, also known as batch processing, offers a powerful way to automate repetitive tasks. Use it to apply a saved series of processing commands to PDF files, minimizing user interaction. Such actions can be executed on selected files or the entire contents of folders, either manually from the Acrobat toolbar or from a command line batch file using the Auto Batch plugin. Let's first look at how to open the Action Wizard tool. With Adobe Acrobat open the Tools panel. Then find and double-click on the Action Wizard icon. Now we'll look at how to create a new action. Click on New Action on the toolbar. In this window, expand the More Tools category. Now select one of the commands from the list. In this example, we'll use Split Document. You can either double-click on the command or select it and press the plus icon in the center. This will add the command to the action steps on the right. First, uncheck the Prompt User option to stop this command always displaying settings options when executed. Now press Specify Settings. In this window, configure all settings as required. Or you can load a saved settings file with the Load Profile button. Once these settings are configured, press OK at the bottom. Unless absolutely necessary, it's important not to add a save command. The Split Document command splits input documents into multiple output PDFs. This does not modify the input document, making a save command unnecessary. Add input files or folders with the Add File and Add Folder buttons. Use the dialog to locate these files. All added files will be listed here. Repeat this procedure to add more files. Pressing Save makes the chosen input files, commands, and where to save results become a saved action. Use this dialog box to name this action and optionally add a description. Once done, press Save to confirm. Now we'll look at how to execute an action we've created. New actions will be added to the Action Wizard toolbar on the right. Click on the action to execute it. Note that using large folders of items may cause a delay in showing the Start button. Once the action is ready, press Start. The files will then be processed. Processing many files will take more time. Visit Evermap.com for further product resources.